Good afternoon. Last lecture we have seen the definition. We have seen the measure of dispersion and when use of measure of dispersion, and we seen the types of dispersion, that is range, quarter deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, and relative measure of measure of dispersion, that is coefficient of range, coefficient of variation, coefficient of quarter deviation, and coefficient of mean deviation. In this lecture, we have seen the merits and demerits of range. Merits and demerits of range. First, merits. That is, there is only one merits. It is simple, understand, and easy to calculate. That is, it is simple, understood, and easy to calculate. That is, range is the difference between largest value and smallest value. That is, it is simple, understand, and easy to calculate. That is, we have select the largest value and we have select the smallest value and find the difference of the largest and smallest. That is range. It is the merits that of range. That is the merits of range. It is not based on all observation. First, it is not based on all observation. That is, range is only difference between largest and smallest value. That is, we have not covered all observation. That is, it is based on not all observation. That is, it is based only smallest and largest observation. It does not give the proper idea regarding variation between extreme observation. It does not give proper idea regarding relation between extreme observation. That is, it does not give the proper idea regarding the variation between the extreme observation. That is, range is, for example, 0, 3, 5, 200. And each cell is at 0, 50, 100, 150 and 200. That is, here is largest value 200 and smallest value 0. That is, range is 200, and here smallest value, largest value 200 and smallest value 0. That is, range is 200. That is, it is not give the proper idea regarding variation between the extreme observation. Where variation pattern are different. Next, we have seen the application of range. Range is the suitable measure of dispersion in case of small group with less variation. That is, range is suitable measure of dispersion in case of small group with less variation. Second, it is widely used in the branch of statistics known as statistical quality control. And the change in price of share, the lowest and highest value are recorded. Temperature in certain place is recorded using maximum and minimum value. Range is used in medical science to check whether blood pressure HB count is normal. That is the application of range. Next we have seen the quartile division. Quartile division. The range is only two extreme atoms. That is, the range is the difference between largest and smallest observation. Hence, any change in interchange between observation not going to affect the range. Range is not affected the interchange value. That is, range is only difference between this largest and smallest value. But in the interchange of observation is not calculate the range. This is main drawback of range. However, in many situations, extreme atoms are widely separate for remaining atom. That is, quartile 1, quartile 3 and quartile 2. That is, we have divided 4 equal parts this lane. That is, each part will have 25%. That is, range is calculated only largest and smallest value, but interchange of changing of observation not calculate range. That is, we have used the quartile division and calculate the intermediate observation. Clearly made, that is, the range is calculated on this 25% and this 25%. But the interchange of 50% atom does not calculate the quartile division. That is, 50% atom lies in the two quartiles. That is, quartile 1 and quartile 3. Lies the 50% atom. That is, quartile division equal to Q3 minus Q1 divide 2. That is, difference between quartile 3 and quartile 1 divide 2 is the quartile division. And coefficient of quartile division equal to Q3 minus Q1 plus Q3 plus Q1. It is the quartile division. That is we have given this length, that is A and B. Range is calculated only largest observation and smallest observation, difference between largest and smallest observation. That is, we have this calculate 55% and 55% observation. But interchange between this observation not calculate the range. That is, we have calculate that is the 50% observation lies between quartile 1 and quartile 3. And that is, quartile division is Q3 minus Q1 divided 2, and coefficient of quartile division is quartile 3 minus quartile 1 and divide quartile 3 plus quartile 1. It is the formula for quartile division, and relative measure of coefficient of quadrant deviation.